Now I'd like to talk about a piece of art. The name of the art is Abahoman Bangla. I actually saw that piece of art many years ago when I actually the student of my high school. My uncle took me to the National Museum of Bangladesh. In the museum, I saw different specimens. It's ranging from history to anthropology. From various aspects, I saw a lot of presentations in there, and everything was so exciting. But once I came across with a piece of art, and when I came in front of the piece of art, I was literally spellbound. I was stuck to see the stunning beauty of that piece of art. I saw that people were working in the field, and some women were working in the house. They were actually assiduously engaged with the household chores. Children were playing in the playgrounds or probably just in the yards of the house. And there were hundreds of trees presented in there. Every single of the trees are very green and have beautiful flowers in it, and also giving fruits. I saw a river nearby to that village, and there were a lot of fishermen who were catching fish in there. And there were some commuters who were crossing the river by using boats. That's really very special. That's so much of engaging. That's actually a very typical presentation of a typical village of Bangladesh. I actually feel that it's been depicted of my village because there are no big differences with my village with that village I saw in the art. I really like this piece of art for many reasons. The first reason is whenever I come in front of it, I feel that I am belong to the village and I can remember to my kids and kins very easily, and gives an opportunity to engage the people of Bangladesh. And it provides me wonderful chance to think about them and to do something for them. I never found such an art ever in my life. Other arts, however, some kind of abstract type, they're very difficult to understand. We need to stand in front of those arts for a long time, and we need to perceive the meaning out of it. But this one is kind of self-explanatory. It tells its story itself. It's readily understandable, and everyone can understand it and can observe and can enjoy and can fathom this natural beauty of this piece of art.